This is a tart that I made 100 years ago when my boys were little. And it's so good. I'm really taking care of our sweet tooth in these next couple of videos. So I got my food processor out, and I'm gonna put in my flour, and I'm gonna put in a stick and a half of softened butter, and like a half a cup of powdered sugar to give it that little sweet taste. And we're just gonna mix this until it forms a ball. And then I'm gonna fold in my finely chopped nuts. Come on, baby. Come on, let's have a ball. I think we got a ball, y'all. All right, now I'm gonna take my nuts and mix those in to our dough. And those nuts, I tell you what, I love using chopped nuts in my pie crust. It just makes all the difference in the world. So I put a little bit of spray in that tart pan, but there is so much butter in this crust that I think it's gonna be fine. And this is such a beautiful dough. It works so very nicely. So easy to work with. And I'm going to try to run it up the sides of the tart pan so we'll have a pretty crust to hold those blueberries.
How long does it say for us to cook it?
I don't remember.
I think 10 to 15, something like that.
Let's see. What does it say? Well, 350, yeah, which is kind of the norm, you know. I've been in the kitchen today making some good stuff, y'all. Some real good stuff. And I'm ready to finish up that blueberry tart. Oh gosh, and it brings back so many memories. It's so good. So I'm gonna start by taking a cup of heavy cream. I'm gonna get every drop out there too, you know me. Waste not, want not. And I'm gonna add 1/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. My formula for heavy whipped cream is I use 1/4 of a cup of sugar for each cup of heavy cream. And if you don't like your heavy cream that sweet, just put what you want in it. But to me, that makes a nice, good, sweet whipped creams. All right, one thing about it now, when you're doing your whipped cream, you do not want to overbeat it because it will turn back to butter. So you just have to be cautious of that. Now I'm gonna take my cream cheese and I'm gonna add powdered sugar. In fact, 1 cup of powdered sugar for this. And then I'm gonna fold this into that. And then it's going on top of our blueberry tart, that wonderful pie crust. All right. Fold, 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 and mix, mix, mix. Oh, yeah. All right. So we're going to spread this over our wonderful pecan crust. And you know what? I love using a tart pan because all we have to do when we get ready to serve it is push it out of the thing. No muss, no fuss. All right, now for our finishing touch is our blueberry pie filling. And you know what? I have used this blueberry pie filling in a cobbler, you know, by just adding some warm sugar water to it. So it'll be thin enough so it'll have enough juice to go into that cobbler, and it's so good. Now I'm gonna show y'all what I do if I don't want my stuff to get stuck. I just do this. And that way it won't be pulling off my blueberries. Just a quick little trick.
And then it's back to the refrigerator.
Back to the refrigerator. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
So we're probably gonna need to let that chill probably 2 or 3 hours. Because you want it good and cold. Can we wait that long? That's the ticket. All right. Remember I told y'all I sprayed my saran wrap. So see, it just kind of protects that. And we just gonna lift that out like that. And it's gonna be so good. See, this is what I love about a tart pan. You don't have to fight tinfoil or glass or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and it's still not quite cold enough. So this is gonna have to be my taste right here. So good. Brings back so many memories. So this is going to go back in the refrigerator until it firms up some more. I can't hardly wait. It's delicious, y'all. And you know you can trust me on that. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.